Mom still has a very high fever. And there's nothing left to put on the fire. I'll go out and collect some more firewood.
Big brother, no. We can't go out after dark. You know, the queen.
Don't worry, sis. I'll be careful and stay close to the light posts. I'll be quick. Take care of Mama till then.
Be careful, big brother.
Our village stands in the middle of an icy wasteland, right on the edge of the Queen of Winter's domain. Very few animals live here, and even fewer plants grow. What's more, the Queen and her monsters prowl around the village every night, hunting for lonely villagers. Only fire can protect us from them, because they hate its light and warmth. That's why you should never stray too far from the village at night. Because those who get lost in the dark will never be found again.